Hi guys, hi guys, hi guys, hi guys, hello. And guys, please, we need to get to 1,000 subscribers. It's very slow. I don't know what's happening. We're not getting subscribers. Please subscribe, click the subscribe button, click likes on the videos, and let's get started with this one. This is an unboxing. The lad's not here at the moment, but I am. And as you know, on the channel we're doing loads of different things. There's unboxings, and I don't know if YouTube's algorithm doesn't like that or whatever it may be, but I'm going to keep doing it because it's all memories. But anyway, here is an unboxing for me. It's come in this package. Look how good this package. This has come from Superdry. So Superdry is a clothing company, fashion clothing company, and yeah, I'm not sure where they're based, but we have Superdry in the UK and various countries, and I've ordered an item. It comes in obviously this cardboard, disposable, not much packaging, and corrugated cardboard. Obviously, what's this? So it's micro pack and it's recyclable. So it's recyclable. Let's get these open. Let's get these bad boys open. And I ordered these off the website. And these are vegan. So looks like this box here. It says, there you go, vegan retro track sport runner. Okay, so I've been a vegan for a while now, and I've ordered some. So this is you can see the vegan label. So what makes them vegan is obviously the material is not leather, but then obviously a lot of trainers are made with certain glue. Okay, and that glue may contain animal products. So this is kind of feels like a suede, but it's not. It's suedette, or whatever you want to call it. And if you look at those bad boys, really nice. I did order some. These were on sale, £30. They were down from 70 or 60, £70. I did order some which had a red stripe there and a red line in here, but when they came, they had a black mark on them, and they were £70 or £60. So I saw these online. I thought, well, I'll get these instead. So obviously these are cheaper and didn't have a black line on them. Look at that, very nice. Superdry. It doesn't say vegan like my other ones do. So these are my vegan trainers. Okay. Hope they fit. Size 10. I normally wear 10.5. That was an unboxing of the Superdry. They do look a bit like the Nike Cortez, if you can remember Nike Cortez from years ago. I've tried these on, very comfortable. Very nice. Okay. Well, not these ones, but the ones that were black and red. Alright guys, so over and out. I'll try these on, and I'll give you a verdict later. Peace. Please click and like and subscribe this video.